bibia Papa JL Dampa Heba. In the health bit in Pesia should be your friend and hypertension and that's a mujambo. So only say hypertension in Arabia asymptomatic symptom bia into our hospital OPD or outpatient department you check BP and san waka ko doctor because doctor need to be sure with him who say hypertension na how but if you omunya so ka ko bi osi ni ti edwan ni ti ne ni hane de edwan to start experience bibisa na wetumi idea to and one so one experience bibisa wo yi ne omu anu ama na yin titia e wo the nearest shop and say chemical shop and pharmacy shop and hospital wa ko check BP ni ahwe say wo about rate na you better advice on your idea to me actually be into asymptomatic. The only say this time you'll be in asymptomatic because of COVID. Into Mojang so how I mean out to an mobile to me Ashama baby so it me I come amount into healthy bit now a honey and basic jail that whatever and a sumo and I'm this healthy bit bro they be into my ancient product on the about a drama so no me patrol if you are ancient papa dan ki brobia hwe unya yim yenkura ebia due to infection say H pylori papa dam to me boa sounds now we must share papa dam which me aboa and our typhoid fever so ko papa dam maybe na typhoid na H me boa me pretty me patcho malaria go mixture for malaria so we pretty malaria na kwa me patcho try na pretty typhoid fever so e can malaria go mixture carefully selected herbs any the abo any side effects bia copy na H me boa na malaria na H me come me patcho stomach mixture no or stomach mixture and then you can also group dia number 1 power Ghana Hanuma me patch stomach mixture because the intermediate one of one then we also me pretty every man we are there near the back almost starting to stomach mixture no almost say you will a draw difference or meeting patch also at it now share copy stomach mixture na HMM whatever shop chemical shop now people which we move ama copy jail that one do be sounds here was Citrolex or Citrolex will be a wire case or percent so Citrolex mixture which may happy na which may absorb within a month which may have between 6 to 10 kilos and this side effect be now your numbers now 027514246 which screen so I don't see a numbers na a display a one the patron capsules there in Citrolex and to pay if you want my PL mixture cocoa and the step it will back which may absorb your friend PL mixture if you want my the product by drama is your friend ready mixture in capsules and if you want your bar all deep one as a white and to one copy ready mixture and engine white and to England engine corner anything of the past now on your bar simana bibia and your camera or bar so said it or a problem with fibroid any Daniel ovarian cyst and I want 1 kg 10 years 5 years while I room to me one scan and say fibroid and also ovarian cyst in soon average now will be man copy FB melter and now engine more ability in the FB melter sitting on the next share box to see a repackaging and accessories in the account maybe now one I will tell FB melter and say that it's here if you don't mind you call a ready mixture SUBU and on a will be a white and a Howard it's maybe a Howard and a snow jail that I your clinic or not condition my Pablo factory or 2 and mobile you bet me about it's here e-consulting so into no terms and conditions can create a woman share a crown only a WhatsApp here numbers they boost me so now from connect to doctors in this want to be quite 2 and mobile you bet me no one can say about prescription here they do not assign it do a boss with an FDA approve and then near my open for and also a collar about my collar for and also bar a colon if you do you Bibiania offer numbers near wall screen so you bet me abwa distributors na yenhwe Accra you can she drag me local Kings work about Tinate Teba and we Harris Heba bet me any biana na watch Heba so UPM was painters and Mama Esca also represented Tema and na watch Heba shop sounds na UPM painters organic bean sales shop no call more test market I really be UPM sweet grower thank you Jesus Eba which means and go pani be at us also na UPM Akimoda oko ochini bad blaster na say OPM wafo pharmacy makesi me jefeba and a carry server kikos your watch and some UPM asinfo so Mama Doris hono sounds na UPM triple prime so your bosheba UPM watakwa owaso your bracket so hono unique health and more book so sounds now people kumasi a blazer required kilo and Freddie Mercer was working, Opium or Bruma or Apidanko, and I say Misty Helper. Tamale, you will be a Gumani last of that I represent or represented for more than 15 years. Sure, said the one make a big breed, all the offering numbers now, they are two screens, so they better to the nearest shop and as a pharmacy shop. It's here, that's it, yet we see them.